Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix checkout issues on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to fix this, you just need to head over and let's try the first checkout. So I have here an item on my cart. So I will just head over and click on the checkout. And once I click on it, as you can see, there's actually an error where I can see that the checkout isn't available. So it will be straightforward since you can see what is wrong. So if you're unable to check out, you need to enable it and you must first pick a plan right here. So in order to pick a plan, you can click on this right here. Or if you don't see this actual page, you can head over to your Shopify and in here you can see a trial. Click on select a plan, then select a plan that you want to choose right here in order to make sure that your Shopify store can actually get some orders. So just choose which one is applicable to you. You can see their pros and cons right here. And when you scroll down, you can see the full list of their features. Another option that you can do is once you have head over and subscribe to a plan, you can head over to your settings, then head over to your payments, and make sure that you set up your payment methods, payment providers, and all of these things right. Just click on this choose a provider and then just choose which ones you want to actually support your store. So that's the whole process. If you have values video help us, if you leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.